Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.